Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to solve this given logarithmic equation which has different bases. And now we're going to be using this change of base formula. As you can see, if you have a log of x with a base b and you want to change it to another base, let's say m, then you're going to use this rule, okay? So in our case, we have a different basis, 4, 16, and 2. We want to change it to a base 2 using this formula. So this is going to look like this one. So you have to be a little bit careful. I'm going to put down log of x. I'm going to change to base 2. So I'm going to put it like this one. First one as log of 4 on the bottom base 2, likewise plus this log of 16x with the base 16 could be written as log of x with a base 2 divided by log of 16 with the base 2 and plus this log of x with the base 2 is already there. We're just going to leave it alone. And now the next thing we want to do is we want to make things simple by manipulating these numbers 4 and 16. See how I'm going to do this thing. On the top it's still going to be log of x with the base 2 divided by, I can write log of 4 could be written as 2 power 2 with the base 2, isn't it? Plus numerator is same, log of x with the base 2, and here I can write log of 16. 16 could be written as 2 power 4 with the base 2, and the rest is same. So far so good. Now the next step that we will be doing is, now we'll use this fact. If you have a log of x and you have an exponent m, then you can move that exponent m to the front. Here in our case, this is an exponent 2. We're going to move it to the front over here. Likewise, this 4, this exponent, I can move it to the front. So our problem is going to look like then log of x to the base 2 divided by, once you move 2 over here, so this become log of 2 with the base 2 plus log of x with the base 2 divided by 4 log of 2 with the base 2 plus log of x with the base 2 equal to 7. So next thing, now I want you to just focus on this part over here. They have the base and the input that's called. So according to this fact, this turns out to be, this log of 2 with the base 2 turns out to be 1. This is 1 and this is 1 as well. So this problem could be more simplified as, you can see, log of x with the base 2 over 2 times 1, because this is 1, so this is simply 2 plus log of x with the base 2 divided by 4 times 1 is 4 plus, now we have a log of x with the base 2 equal to 7. So we have these fractions over here. We want to remove them. In order to remove them, the best thing to do is, I want you to multiply by the biggest number over here at the bottom is 4. So I'm going to multiply by 4 across the board. Okay. So once you do that one, so this 2 and 4 reduces to 2 times log of x with the base 2 plus this 4 and this 4 is gone. So we ended up log of x with the base 2. Here this become plus 4 log of x with the base 2 equal to 4 times 7 becomes 28. So far so good. So let's go ahead and so this is how much? This is 2 log x base 2, and this is a 1 log x base 2, and this is 4 log of x base 2, and you add them. 2 plus 1 plus 4 makes 7 log of x with the base 2 equals to 28. We want to isolate log, so I'm going to divide both sides by 7. Once you do that one, so we simply, this is gone. So log of x with the base 2 turns out to be 4. And finally, we're going to use this fact. We want to convert from logarithmic form to an exponential form. So this equation is going to look like x equals to 2 power 4. So that means x equal to 2 power 4 is 16, and that is our solution. And now finally we want to check our answer for any extraneous solution. So wherever you see x, replace it by 16. So what I did is wherever you see x, I replace it by 16. And the next step is I want to tweak it. I want to manipulate a little bit. 16 over here, you see this 16. I can write this 16 as 4 power 2, and here this 16 I can write 2 power 4. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to put down log of base 4. I can write 4 power 2. I'm going to leave this one same. There's a reason, I'll tell you in a minute. And plus this one I can write base 2, and this could be written as 2 power 4, and we have a 7 on the right hand side. We're going to see whether this statement is true. Now next, now we're going to use this fact. If you have an exponent, you can move this exponent in the front of the log. So we have this exponent, this is going to move up to the front, and this exponent moves up to the front as well. So we simply got 2 outside log of 4 with the base 4 plus log of 16 with the base 16. Likewise, this 4 moves to the front. We got log of 2 with the base 2 equal to 7. So far so good. Now the next thing is we will be using this fact. When you have a log of these two numbers base and this number is same is equal to 1, that means this is turns out to be 1, this is 1, and this is 1 as well. So what simply we got, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 plus 4 times 1 is 4 equal to 7. What that means is 7 on the left hand side and 7 on the right hand side. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Thus x equal to 16 is indeed our solution. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.